Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to add slow motion effect in our any video clip. So without any further delay, let's start it. This time I just simply add a sample video clip in timeline. Let's play this clip a little bit.
What?
It fucking sucks, right? But it's the truth.
My scene got cut in Baywatch.
Your scene got
Alright.
cut in Baywatch.
This is like the
Now if you want to add slow motion effect from here, then simply right click on this and split it, and let's say we add our slow motion effect right here. To do this I just split it again. Now our one video clip divided into 3 clips. Now you just simply press Ctrl and hover over the mouse on the end portion of this video clip and simply scratch it like this. That means you just simply press Ctrl and click and drag it to the right to make this slower. Now let's play this clip.
The movie got cut out.
What?
It fucking sucks, right? But it's the truth.
My scene got cut in Baywatch.
Your scene got cut in Baywatch.
This is like the 9th time this has happened.
So makes sense, right? In this way we can easily add slow motion effect in our any video clip. Let's see another example. I just delete this track and add another video in timeline. So this is our main clip. Now if you want to make this overall video clip slower, then simply hover over the mouse on the end portion of your video clip and press Alt key. Once you see this little squiggly line, then simply click and drag it to the right like this. Now let's play this clip. Smooth slow motion. Super cool, right? Now what happens if you want to make your video clip faster or make it normal? Actually process is pretty simple and straightforward. Simply hover over the mouse on the end portion of your video clip and then press Ctrl and click and drag it to the left like this to make it normal or make your video clip faster. Awesome, right? So this is how we can easily add slow motion or fast motion effect in our any video clip. Thank you so much for watching.